How to change text color in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can change text color in Photopea. To do this is very simple. Just follow me as I put you through in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to log into your Photopea account and then open up your project. Once you've opened the project, you'll be brought to the canvas. Okay. Now, once you're on this canvas, the next thing to do is to select the text whose color you would want to change. All right, how can you select this text? By going to the left side of the screen, where sorry the right side of the screen where you can see a section displaying your layers. All right, so select the layer that has the text that you would want to edit. So you select it until the text is being highlighted. Ensure the text is highlighted. All right, so once it has been highlighted, at the top part of the screen you can see some options, okay, such as the font, the type of font it is, the size of the font. Let's even change the size of the font here. And then you can see color. Right, you just click on it. Now once you click on it, the color picker would be displayed. Now as it has been displayed, you can see different colors. Now the next thing, to select the color that you would like to change the image, sorry, the text to. All right, so once you've selected the color, click OK, and then just like that, the text colors would be changed. Yes, you can see it's very simple. So go ahead and make those corrections today. Thanks for watching.